come, give it to me. Come, come, give it to me. Yeah, come, come, give it to me. Come, come. I'll buy out the bar for your waist, spend me money for your waist, anything you want, baby, just for you, baby. I'm so in love with your waist, rent out the club for your waist, anything you want, baby, just for you, baby.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Empress D. Nice to have you in here. Okay, if you've never been here before, if it's the first time you're seeing me, just go ahead and just hit that subscribe button and that notification bell as well. Okay, this is the second episode of my then versus now glow up edition video that I am doing this week, and I am just going to insert the look that I am doing here. So this look I completed in 2013. I don't think this one was 2012. This one was 2013, and this is the time when I thought, you know, I was really at the top of my game, you know, doing shit, and I really wasn't, you know, but you know, as you grow you learn. And although I haven't really done much or any makeup, to be fair, since 2012, 2013, I have like done like a little bit, but I haven't been practicing or anything. It was literally in December of 2018 that I basically just decided that, you know what, you had a passion for makeup and you kind of just let it slip to the side, and why don't you do something with it? So I was like, you know what, let's do it. So this is me being at it since January, and this is my growth. Okay, I actually was going to do a cut crease, but if you look at my picture, I'm just going to insert it again. It's not a cut crease look. Cut crease I didn't even know existed in 2013. I really didn't. So I didn't want to cheat and do a cut crease, so I just didn't. All I did was use 3 shades and blended it out, and this is the look that I came up with. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you in a second.
Well, you can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it, doing it. Let them respect you for.
Right guys, so as usual, we are starting with one eye completed, and we are just going to replicate this eye over here. So before we jump into how I achieved this look, I did my brows like after 7 this morning. I kind of didn't feel like I needed to redo them. The most I did was just use concealer, because normally when I do my brows to go to work, I literally just use a foundation that matches my skin to clean up my brows. And if you guys have watched my brow routine video, then you would see how I achieved the brows. And all I did was I went in and I added some concealer to clean it up. I haven't touched them outside of that at all, so I'm just gonna leave them as they are, since I'm not going anywhere and I'll have to just wash this off anyways in like 30 minutes after I've done my mini photo shoot, as we do. Have you guys seen that meme? Yeah, that's me. I'm just being lazy. Let's just be honest. I'm being lazy and I don't want to redo my brows. So today I am using the Juvias Place palette. This is the Masquerade mini palette, and this is what it looks like. Juvias Place has been around for a while, so I'm sure you guys have seen this. Also, you guys would know that Juvias Place palettes, their pigmentation in the palettes are good. Okay, I am just gonna let you guys know which ones I am using, which shadows I am using. So I am going to go in with Zabo first, and then I will go in with Bori and Dahlia. Okay, Right guys, so I am going to pop offline and I am just going to do my lashes and I will be back in a second. And guys, we are back. So this is the completed look. Okay, so I'm just going to insert my picture again here. Okay, that was then, this is now. What do you guys think? Is there growth? Let me know what you guys think. But this is it. I'm out. Love you guys. Peace.